Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to change to light or dark theme on Notion. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and change to light or dark theme on Notion. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. But in order to do this, what you're first going to do is click onto your workspace on the upper left-hand corner. Next, you're going to click on Settings. Now from here, underneath where it says Preferences, you're going to see an appearance section right over here. So this is going to allow you to customize how Notion looks on your device. Right now, I have mine set to use system setting, but you can change it to light mode or you can change it to dark mode. So there you have it, guys. Go ahead and change the appearance by simply clicking on this toggle menu and choosing the one which you like. But if you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.